The bull run is not over, guys. I'm going to be doing a technical analysis in this video, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Guys, if you haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap, and it's in my top pinned comment down below. That's where I give my buy and sell trade alerts, so you know when to buy on the dip, and you know when to sell when you've made big profit. Congratulations to everybody who's been taking my buy and sell trade alerts and using them, because you've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, all you have to do is subscribe, smash that bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive videos, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'll be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Even though cryptocurrencies have fallen off from their all-time highs, they're still at half price, or some consider clearance. They're still an incredible buy because they're still on the uptrend. They're very bullish and they're headed up, especially in the long run. But just within 30 to 60 days, expect to see Dogecoin almost double in price because there's so many fundamental catalysts in the news with PayPal, Apple, and other massive crypto news. Guys, in the news, we have Sheets. Yes, they are allowing you to literally pay for gas in Dogecoin. So whenever your car's running low next time or on E, just pull up to Sheets. You can pay with Dogecoin and fill up your tank. Now that's incredible. This is the first gas station on the list accepting Dogecoin, and they're going to be making a lot of money because of it. Not to mention a massive investment for the company because Dogecoin is expected to nearly double in the very near future. Expect to see Dogecoin still surpass all-time highs of 70% just this year because there's so many exciting news and rumors that you need to buy. You always got to buy the rumor, sell the news. That's how you make big profits, as I let you guys know on my Patreon. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is simply my opinion. With all the fake news, fear, and greed in the cryptocurrency market, we've seen a lot of red days recently. But with all the dips, always has to come a peak. So it's just right around the corner. And I know this because I've had so many years studying and looking at charts daily that I know what's to come. This was not unexpected. This is totally normal. The ups and the downs. And the wonderful part about cryptocurrency, especially Dogecoin, is the volatility. And that's what allows you to make so much money on it. When you get in at the dip and you sell when it gets at its peak. The whales want you to sell when it dips. Don't sell. Never sell until you make profits. Don't have paper hands. Have diamond hands, like the people who make money on the cryptocurrency market. Guys, right here we have a double bottom. But that's a very bullish symbol. It's consolidating and it's leveling out, but that simply means there's going to be a breakout and it will likely head straight up. Guys, by 2022, expect that Dogecoin will easily go to $5 possibly. With the Tesla news sending it straight to the moon. And of course, Tesla accepting Dogecoin. Guys, I know I'm going to be one of the first to purchase a Tesla with Dogecoin. What are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts down below.